So today I will show you how to build a cloud strategy in 30 minutes in a way shorter video, and it all starts with what the main business driver is, and then we go through a couple of these options: innovation, cost optimization, compliance, vendor independence. Then obviously one of the more important ones and question you need to ask yourself: do we have some specific regulatory restrictions, compliance needs that we need to fulfill? Next we will go into your current IT landscape. Do we already have an on-prem landscape? Do we have already a single cloud environment? Do we have multiple cloud providers, and so on? Then next we go into how portable are your applications. Are they tightly coupled? Is there already some kind of abstraction with containerization? Is there some cloud neutral architecture set up? Next, we look at what type of outcomes are most important for you in your business. Is it the availability of cloud? Is it having the best of breed innovations? Is it, again, the vendor independence that you want to work towards? Is it the global performance in different countries? Or is it simplicity of the provider? And with answering those questions, all of those combined will give you, let's say, a cloud strategy and some kind of cloud archetype that you are working towards, where you would go for example, a single cloud which focuses on one provider to simplify operations and optimize costs, and you leverage one cloud services deeply, and you accept some kind of lock-in for efficiency, of course. You could also go for a hybrid cloud where you keep sensitive data and workloads on-premise or private cloud and use public cloud for other workloads. This ensures compliance and latency needs are met for your business while still gaining cloud scalability for the less regulated functions within your business. You could also go for a multi-cloud, so the best of breed, where you have different clouds for different strengths, one for AI, another for databases, and so on. And you accept the complexity of managing multiple platforms to gain superiority of certain capabilities in each function. And this requires strong cloud expertise within your company, so that's something to consider. And then you can also go for a multi-cloud portable strategy where you architect certain applications to run on any cloud and possibly shift dynamically. You use Kubernetes or abstraction layers to enable true cloud neutrality, and it ensures no single vendor dependency, and it allows choosing different environments for cost or resiliency reasons. The overhead is justified by the strategic need for flexibility, which you will define in your objective of your business. You can also go for multi-cloud for the failover objective, so you duplicate critical services across two cloud providers in an active or passive or active DR setup. One cloud can fail and the other seamlessly takes over and to keep the services running. It's a heavy investment, but it's warranted for ultra high availability needs. So that links back to one of the key questions there. You can also go for a hybrid multi-cloud mix, so a tailored combination to maintain on-prem and private cloud for regulated or legacy systems, and use multiple public clouds where appropriate for other workloads. This strategy is about segmentation, so each workload uses the environment that best meets its requirements. So that requires strong governance, and that's essential to manage this complexity and avoid duplication efforts. So again, going back to all of these questions, it will allow you to build that cloud strategy that we are talking about. So it can be quite complex, but it is very important to take these key questions into consideration. And this will be, let's say, already 80% of the decisions that you will need to make will be already made throughout this set of questions. So that's the approach we take to define a cloud strategy in 30 minutes. Thanks so much for watching. If you want more information, have a look in the comments below and visit our free website to get all of these insights and see how we can help you further. Have a nice day.